Hello and welcome to HOO Basics. In this video, I will show you the unboxing of Ubiquiti Dream Machine Pro Max. Included in the box, power cable, screws, and other accessories in this small box. The dimensions of this machine is 17.4 by 1.7 by 11.2 inches. This is also hard and heavy. At the back, we have DC power backup and input power port. But I noticed that the lock of hard disk bay is very soft and I didn't see any lock for security reason. There are 10 gigabit SFP plus dot ports, 8 ports of gigabit LAN dot ports, 2.5 gigabit WAN ports, and the reset button. There are also 128 gigabit integrated solid-state drive. I think Ubiquiti should put some lock on the hard disk bay for security purpose. As you can see, it's very easy to remove the hard drive bay. And on the left side, it had 1.3 inches touchscreen display. For now, I will fast forwarding this video, but the total boot time are about 5 minutes. Quite slow if you reboot your network for any reason. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, updates, and configuration.